ready to ditch the pen and paper for good. Let's dive into the quick and secure world of signing documents with DocuSign. Typically, you'll receive an email from DocuSign inviting you to sign a document. Open this email. It will have a clear button to get started. Click on the Review Document or a similar button within the email. This will securely open the document for you and guide you through the signing process. The first thing you'll see is the document itself. DocuSign is designed to be intuitive. You'll notice prompts or highlighted areas where your action is needed, usually marked with an asterisk or a colored border. Look for the Sign tab or a similar button, often located in the top left corner. Clicking this will reveal the signature fields that require your attention. A pop-up window will appear, offering you several ways to create your digital signature. You can choose to draw your signature, select a predestined style, or type your name and let DocuSign generate a signature for you. If you choose Draw, simply use your mouse or stylus to create your signature, just as you would on paper. Take your time to make it look right. Alternatively, you can type your full name. Then, you'll have a selection of predestined signature styles to pick from. Choose the one that best represents you. Once you're happy with your signature, you can click Change Style if you want to try another option, or Adopt and Sign to finalize this choice. Your signature will then be automatically placed in the designated spot. DocuSign will then guide you to any other fields that need your input, like your typed name, initials, or other required information. When all required fields are filled, you'll see a prominent Finish or Complete button, usually at the top of the screen. Click this to finalize your signing. You might be prompted to save a copy. And that's it. You've successfully signed your document electronically with DocuSign. Securely, conveniently, and legally embrace the future of signing today.